Welcome back to another video. This is another installment of us redoing, refinishing, what's the word?
Doing?
I don't know exact terminology, but it's an update on how our bedroom is coming along. So this is what it looked like when we first started.
And this is what it looks like now. Sissy, do you like Mommy and Daddy's room?
No. Ellie, I like my room. Why does this so creepy?
Because you're in here.
It's not creepy.
You're a creeper.
Yeah, it is.
Why is it creepy?
I think it's Halloween house.
Why?
But I like it.
Yeah, so we have like this tiny little wall, and I was on Pinterest, and then I just started seeing like these really nice shelves. They were like wood shelves, and it had a bunch of plants on it, and I was like, I want that there. And then I thought it would be nice under the shelves to have like some sort of chair or like
plants.
Yeah, something there. Not that anybody would sit there or anything like that, but just to have like a nice little area. So I want them to be this length. No, I'm just kidding.
All right, so Jasmine wanted to go and just buy shelves, but they're so expensive. Like,
well, the ones that I wanted them to look a specific way, so.
Honestly, I just couldn't bring myself to buy the stuff. They were like 80 bucks a shelf, and we wanted to do 3 shelves.
1.
Okay.
2.
2.
In this corner.
Yes.
And then 3 would be right here.
So what this means is that I'm gonna do another DIY project. I've never done this before, but we're gonna be doing some floating shelves. And so I measured up the walls and got to work. So if you guys are excited to see how this project turns out, hit the thumbs up button, join the family, because we got a lot more of these videos coming. And me and Zay are headed off to Home Depot.
So my dad is being the man right now. Picking it up. Oh. Confident face. Confident face. That's a confident face. And then where the 4 is.
4 inches. So in order to do these floating shelves, we needed some special brackets. We looked everywhere at Home Depot for them, didn't find them, so I ended up finding them on Amazon. And they were honestly really cheap. Link to them will be in the description. So basically, this is the bracket. You drill it into the wall, you bore a hole into your wood, and you just slide them on.
You better hope it comes out good, because...
I know. I'm gonna put some major holes in the wall. Check it out. Got it to work. So the plan was to stain them.
Yeah.
And I had never stained anything before this, so I was kind of iffy and nervous. I wanted to make sure I got it right because I don't want to waste money. And then I seen that...
No, I think you did stain one.
No, I didn't stain it. I know I didn't stain it. What I did was I grabbed a torch because I seen this on the internet, and I just started torching it.
Yeah, he didn't tell me he was torching it because
I didn't want to tell you.
He came in and he was like, I'm done. And he was like, do you like it? And I was like, yeah, it looks really good. And then he was like, I torched it. And then I was like, he was like, do you like it? And I was like, yeah. So he did.
She thought it was stained. She thought it was stained.
It looked like it.
So I had Jasmine wiping them off. So what you do is you get like, a torch, you torch it, it kind of burns a little bit, and then you get a rag or a napkin or something and you clean it off to get all of like whatever was burnt off of it. Yeah. And it turned out really nice. I was actually really happy with it.
Yeah, it came out really good. I like how they came out.
They are both on the wall. This is what they look like after they've been wiped down. It has a very natural look about it. So we started to decorate it and it was coming along really good, but then we headed over to Hobby Lobby. Remember we went to Hobby Lobby? And that's when we found a bunch of stuff for the room.
Oh yeah.
So they had some really good sales, so we'll take you back to that day.
So we're looking for a mirror to go over my vanity, but we wanted to like go with the vibe of the room, and I think we found one.
This one right here, it's on sale, half off, so it's 75 bucks, and that's how we were gonna get her a circle mirror that kind of looked like.
Basically, it was just like this without the black part.
Yeah, but this was gonna be gold.
It would look like this.
It's gonna look like, yeah, so that's her second choice, is this one right here.
This one though would be cool, like this long ways.
Yeah.
But
it's up to you though, what do you want?
I like this one better because it's wood.
And it's black,
and
so
it's
it
black,
contrasts
and it
the
goes
wall. $75. I think that's a good deal. I don't know. What do you think?
Well,
I think for this price, because I was looking on Amazon, they're all like 60 bucks. And this one has way more character.
Yeah. So far, this is it, but let's just keep looking.
You like that one? How much is it? If you can figure out the price, then we'll talk. What is it? 50% off of
40.
40. What's half of 40, Jasmine? What's half of 40, Zay?
20.
He beat you. That's what we're gonna start playing. We're gonna start playing these games.
No.
$20 for this is too much. It's too much, babe. You know it's true. I am on a Ross budget.
I'm getting a job, I swear.
Babe, it's not about getting a job. Even if you had a job, I wouldn't spend that.
But it would be mine.
Babe, I've been buying so much stuff.
So this is what we ended up getting for the room, also including the really big mirror.
And guys, we didn't show you guys this, but we absolutely fell in love with these, which we didn't even buy a candle for them.
Oh my gosh.
No, not a succulent. This is gonna look really good.
Yeah, I love
this.
This reminds me of California.
Got 3 of those. Those are $3 each, which is a really good deal. And then we're gonna put that, well, we're hoping to stick it right behind that. So we also ended up pulling Jasmine's vanity out of the bathroom and we put it against the wall next to our closet.
But we took the mirror off because we were trying to find like a little table or something, and then I was like, what if we just put my vanity table there and just take the mirror off?
But you don't really like it.
Yeah.
You kind of want to move it.
I do kind of want to.
Yeah, so the plan is to either redo it or move it.
Yeah.
But for now, that's just where it's going to be.
It'll just be there for now.
Yeah.
And we also went to Joannes and got some stuff from there too. Jordan will put the links to that video.
Yeah, so we did a whole video, a haul video for it, and we found some amazing stuff. The video is really good.
Good deal.
Be sure to check it out if you want to see the full haul. So we ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things, and it all turned out to come out, or it all came out to $113, I want to say. So I think we got really good deals, and this stuff is really pretty. I love this sign. So we started to decorate the room with all the stuff we got, and we started with our main wall behind our bed. Also, guys, we're gonna be buying a new bedspread.
Yeah, we're gonna get rid of the pink.
We've honestly switched 180 on what we were originally doing with the room.
Come stand where I'm at.
Honestly though, our room's gonna look like a hotel room. We've decided against it. I just don't like the contrast, the black on the black.
Well,
So-
I didn't mind it, but it's really simply because we can't figure out where to put this mirror.
This looks better.
Yeah.
Honestly, we might just take these down too. I don't know if I want those there either.
We hung up some pictures that we had that just didn't look right, and so we ended up taking it down.
It just didn't flow.
Yeah, we still don't have anything up.
No.
We still can't find something that will match above it.
Yeah, if you guys have suggestions or ideas,
Yeah.
link it to us in our DMs or even here on the video. Jasmine wants one of those.
I think they're called macrames or something like that.
Sounds like a cookie.
But then I also want like some frames, and then I don't know, I've been seeing like this picture of like a buffalo. It's weird, but it's like a really cool buffalo and it looks nice.
Well, we also talked about doing like one of those walls that has like a ton of frames.
Yeah,
Like
that's another
50
thing.
frames?
I want to change a wall in there already.
Well, we are. We're scrapping
we're-
everything that you guys have seen us put on the
It's
walls.
going away.
It's leaving because
Yeah.
it just doesn't look right.
It just doesn't flow.
And we ended up actually moving that first picture that we tried hanging on there to the side wall next to the closet, and it fits so perfectly.
It does, but I was just telling Janelle
Don't
yesterday.
say we're gonna move it.
I was like, I don't want this in here no more because it just doesn't match.
It looks so good. We have officially finished this little section right here. We got this little shelf that we found at the thrift store. Added some succulents to it, and I think that looks really good.
I have this vision, and
Your vision's changed
our
4
vision-
times
no,
since it's.
It's been the same picture, and our room just doesn't look like that yet.
If you
And
guys-
we're getting another comforter.
I guess we're getting another comforter.
Yeah,
So
you said we were.
we bought. This is the second one we bought.
Yeah, but everybody was like, "Why don't you just return the Bath and Body Works one?" And I was like,
But we bought another one they haven't seen.
"Yeah, but that one's."
Oh my gosh.
That was just like a temporary one.
Jasmine, there's no such thing as temporary comforters. They don't just.
I-
They're not red
I
boxes.
just have a vision, guys.
Oh my God,
I just have a vision.
I'm getting mad.
Let's see how this mirror looks there. Honestly, I'll never use it as a vanity. It's just more for, oh my god, I love it.
Is it actually pretty?
Yes, it looks so good.
This is really heavy.
And
There's
eventually,
only one screw, like one place to screw it in. Well guys, this is how it ended up turning out. I'm actually extremely happy with it. We only went with 2 shelves because I made the mistake of not getting vaulted ceilings when I bought this house, and we wanted a chair right here, and it just wouldn't fit if there was a 3rd shelf. So I had to go ahead and just scrap that 3rd. But what do you guys think? Honestly, this right here, we got at a thrift store. It was extremely cheap. It's real wood. We got it for $3.50. It was a Hobby Lobby one. So that is super, super nice. Looks brand new. And then we got a lot of these pots at Ross or thrift stores. We ended up hanging this pot with a little hook right here, and there's a real succulent inside of it. I'm actually really happy about that as well. And then we found this at Hobby Lobby, I want to say. This came from Ross when we went and did our big Ross haul. Got that for $18, and then we ended up getting this chair. If you guys didn't see, I found this chair at Goodwill for $1, reupholstered it, and it actually looks perfect right there in that corner. Finally, some DIY projects that I'm proud of. Well, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned for updates and subscribe. We have plenty of other projects coming.
Honestly, I think probably we can have the room done next week, right? Right? We just gotta fix that wall. Babe, we just gotta fix that wall.
Jasmine, there's so much to do.